Hello to tutorial number 8, which covers the boundary surface. Let's start with making some sketch. And let's extrude it with the extruded surface. And now let's make a 3D sketch. So we draw a line here. And now let's activate the boundary surface tool and choose this edge and this line, and we see here it have been covered with the boundary surface tool. And here we can see some choices. In this case I'm going to use none, and here we have other options about the mesh density and the zebra stripe, which describe the behavior of the surface, which I am going to talk about it in the next lessons. And here we see the boundary surface, so we can make another surface. So let's activate the boundary surface tool and choose the boundaries of this surface, and let's activate the direction 2. We can choose this so that the boundary curve will fit into the surface, and here as well. So now I can close my tutorial about the boundary surface tool, and in the next lesson I am going to talk about the filled surface tool. So see you in the next tutorial.